Yes, children, we'll continue in this slide. Okay, you are seeing the moon in the slide. Okay, listen, children. In our mother tongue, mother language, the Tamil, a lot of stories about the moon, even the imaginary stories. Everybody likes to see the moon, full moon. Okay, children, did you think why the moon is in different shapes? If you are seeing one day it is very bright and full moon day, and some days never the moon is coming on the sky, and in one day it is very small curve, and some days it's a half moon. Why it is happening? Because our moon is a natural satellite. It is revolve around our earth. How our planet earth is revolve around the sun, it is rotate as well as revolve around the sun on its own axis in its path orbit. The same like our moon, it is satellite, natural satellite for our earth. It also rotate itself and also revolve around our earth. Due to this phenomena, the moon have the different shades for looks different, various patterns or different shapes. Okay, children. Okay, in your book they given the word Amavasya and Purnima. Okay, Amavasya means what? That is called new moon day. The moon, there is no moon on that sky, in the sky on that day. So that is the day when the moon started to grow. It is not started to grow. In your part, the moon has disappeared and it started to again appear. Then in the day, if you are seeing some days, it is full, bright, beautiful moon on the sky. Okay, that day we are saying Purnima. In Tamil, Paurnami. Okay, that day we can see the full moon on the earth. Okay, children, there are some important points about the moon. Moon is a natural satellite of our earth. Okay, it does not have its own heat and light. Okay, it emits the heat and light. It absorbs the light in the daytime from the sun, and it emits the sunlight in the night time. It is made up of symmetry rock. There is no life possible in the moon. Okay. Yes, children. Now, understand, we know about the moon a little bit. The moon. Our earth has only one satellite. Why we are mentioning here only one satellite? Because other planets such as Jupiter, Saturn, they have more moons. Jupiter has 62 or 64 moons. That is the moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. Okay, it is very close to our earth than the other celestial bodies. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. The moon takes 27 days to complete one rotation of our earth, one revolution. Okay, children, our earth takes 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution. Like that, our moon takes 27 days to complete one revolution. In Tamil, we are in the Hijri calendar, we calculated only 27 days that we know in the 4th grade. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. Okay, children, the next, Earth. Earth is our beautiful planet. Yes, beautiful planet, and we can say Earth is a special planet that we know. Why it is special planet, children? Say, Earth is a special planet. Why? Because it supports life. Very good. Okay, because why this is the only planet support life. Why? Because this only planet have air and water. Okay, do you know why only this planet have air and water? Why the remaining planets does not have? Because I'll say the reason. The earth is a special planet because the earth is holding a special place in the solar system. What is the special planet? A special planet holding the special place. Yes, children, if you see the solar system picture, the first center is the sun. The first planet is Mercury, second one is Venus, and the third is the Earth. Okay, if you see that Mercury and Venus, automatically it is very near to the sun, so it absorbs more heat from the sun. So it is impossible the life is, it is not possible life is in that particular planets. Okay, if you see after the Earth in the solar system picture, Mars and Jupiter, some other planets is continuing. That planet does not receive the proper sunlight or the enough sunlight from the sun. Why? Because the distance, okay, because the distance is more from the sun of that planet, so it does not receive that much heat or light from the sun. Now you say that whether now our Earth is holding a special planet only? Yes, a special planet because it is holding the special place. It is not near to the sun and it is not far away from the sun. Holding a special planet, it receives the sunlight heat and also the maximum level of heat and light. Okay, children, and also our Earth spins on its own axis, that we know already. Our Earth spins. Due to this, a part of Earth receives sunlight one time and another part remains dark. So a part of Earth is daytime and a part of Earth is nighttime. It continuously, that spinning, that rotation passes day and night. So our Earth is a special planet. Imagine if our Earth is not rotate, what will happen? Always a part of Earth receives sunlight, always a part of Earth remains dark. Okay, so the dark place, the sun, if the sunlight is not appear any place in the Earth, there is no plants will living organisms survive in that place. So sunlight is important for growing all the living organisms. Okay, children, so our Earth is very important planet and also blue planet because it's look like in blue color because more than 70% of our Earth is covered with water. Here I am giving some important points about our Earth. That is, Earth is a unique planet. It is the third nearest planet to the sun. Our Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system, flattened at the poles, only habitable planet due to suitable temperatures, water and oxygen. Our Earth also known as the blue planet. Okay. Now, the solar system planets is classified into two, that is inner planets and outer planets. The inner planets are planet Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These planets are inner planets of the solar system. And outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are considered as outer planet. Yes, children, a small one messages about one planet. Okay, planet Mercury is very nearest planet of the in the solar system of the sun. Planet Venus is the hottest and brightest planet in the solar system. Children, do you know we can see only one planet every day with our naked eye, that is Mercury. If you are seeing the every day evening in the west side in dawn, we can see the planet Mercury. The same planet Venus. The same day, every day early morning we can see the same planet in the east side. So we are saying Venus is the morning star. And third one is planet Earth, that is blue planet and special planet. And planet Mars is red planet. It is called a red planet because it's look red in color. And Jupiter, it is the biggest planet in this solar system. Saturn, because of the dust particles, Saturn have a beautiful ring around it, so it is called a ringed planet. And Uranus, Neptune, bluish and greenish respectively. Okay, children, next, asteroids. You see, there is a huge rocks. Okay, yes, these are called asteroids. This is also present in the solar system. This is a lot of asteroids make like a belt, and it between it makes a like belt, asteroids belt between the planets Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are smaller fragments of the bigger planets. I already told it be found between the Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids formed by the explosion of planet many years back. Okay. Then next, meteoroids. Yes, it's very interesting objects for us. Meteors. Okay, meteors are present in the space when it is started to due to the friction or due to the density, it started to came down. That time when it entered to the atmosphere, started to burn due to the oxygen present in our atmosphere. The meteor started to burn. That time if you are seeing in the night sky, we feel some stars are falling. Yes, that is called meteoroids. When it is entered to the earth, it is called meteoroids. It's called shooting stars. Okay, we say it is a shooting star. Sometimes unburned pieces fall on the earth, creating hollows. There is a big hollow in the Arizona, in the place of USA. Okay. Next, children. Yes, you say the answer for the answers. Choose the correct answers. Our Milky Way is option A, Akash Ganga. Option B, Akash Kaveri. Option C, Akash Tapi. Option D, Akash Yamuna. And what is the correct answer? Can you hear? Say. Exactly. Akash Ganga. Second. It have its own heat and light. Which one? Option A, moon. Option B, planets. Option C, stars. Option D, satellites. What is the answer? Yes, I heard. Option C, stars. Good. The third planet in our solar system. Option A, Earth. Option B, Mars. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Mercury. What is the answer? Option C, Earth. Very good. Next one is, group of stars are called dash. Option A, planets. Option B, family. Option C, system. Option D, constellations. What is? Option D, constellations. Okay, children, a small recap for you in this sessions what we learned, the earth in the solar system, chapter 1 in the geography. Okay, first we knew about the universe. Universe is made up of millions of stars with a lot of galaxies. Our galaxy name is Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Our solar system is present in the Akash Ganga or Milky Way galaxy. We saw about the stars. Stars are the luminous body which emits its own heat and light. Then sun is also a star. It is the nearest star for our earth. Then we saw about the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system, inner planets and outer planets, and asteroids and meteoroids also other things, and also we see the beautiful moon. These are the celestial bodies we seen in this sessions. Okay, the next sessions will continue in the other chapters for the geography. Till then, I will say you the bye for you. Take care, children. Go through your geography first lesson in your book, textbook. It is very important, and try to answers for the questions which is given in the book bag. Thank you, children. We'll meet in the next sessions.